Now we will discuss transradial approach for addressing mesenteric, celiac and superficial femoral artery lesions. We have already discussed how to deal with infradiaphragmatic lesions using transradial approach and what are the advantages. As interventional cardiologists, you may come across this type of lesion, and that is the reason why you must have adequate knowledge of addressing this type of lesions. This is an interesting example of stenting of acute superior mesenteric artery dissection, which was addressed through left transradial approach. The dissection is profiled. You can also see a fracture and compressed vertebra. This was because of fall from the height. A 90 centimeter long 6F pinacle sheath is negotiated in the descending aorta through left transradial approach. The sheath is then deployed near the dissected area, and contrast injection revealed a long dissection with a false lumen in superior mesenteric artery. A 0.014 inch BMW PTCA guide wire was negotiated, but it entered the false channel. Another 0.014 inch BMW PTCA guide wire was then negotiated in the true channel, and its tip was parked distally in superior mesenteric artery. A self-expanding stent was now placed across the dissected segment. You can see the stent deployment in progress. This is satisfactory end result. This is another view demonstrating the result. Here is a case of left superficial femoral artery PTA, which was done through left transradial approach. A 90 centimeter long pinacle sheath was negotiated in the descending aorta. The lesion was then profiled. The PTA was done in usual fashion using a PTA balloon catheter having shaft length of 150 centimeter. It is important for you to keep in mind to have 150 centimeter shaft length catheter very handy if you are handling a superficial femoral artery stenosis. There you see the satisfactory end result. Now I will show you an interesting case in which we addressed both iliac lesions along with both superficial femoral artery lesions using left transradial approach. Contrast injection through diagnostic catheter revealed both iliac lesions. Left common iliac stenting was done using a self-expanding stent. The satisfactory stent result is revealed. Left superficial artery stenosis is profiled now. Note that it is a very long lesion. A long balloon was deployed and low pressure dilatation at 6 atmosphere was given for 2 minutes. This is the satisfactory result of left superficial femoral artery ballooning. Now, right external iliac stenosis is profiled. A self-expanding stent is placed across the lesion. Stenting is done with good end result. And now right superficial femoral artery lesion is profiled. The same balloon catheter was deployed across the lesion and low pressure dilatation was given for 2 minutes. This is a good end result of right SFA ballooning.